All right, seventh grade. So we're going to talk about stem and leaf plots. This is another one where it's kind of easier for me to just show you. So a stem and leaf plot is a way to organize data. So, for example, we've got some data here. So we've got 14 numbers listed here. Let's say that I joined the NBA, and this was the amount of points I scored in each of the 14 games I played in. So, you can see I scored 51, 56, 67, 44, 50, 63, and so on. So what we could do is we could organize this data in what is called a stem and leaf plot. In a stem and leaf plot, you need to figure out the stems and the leaves. It's probably where the name came from. So we choose the stems. The stems are going to be all of the digits except for the ones digit. Now, all of these numbers are two-digit numbers. So our tens digits are going to be the stems. So I look, all those numbers are ranged from in the 40s to the 60s. So that means my stems are going to be 4, 5, and 6. So I would then draw my stem and leaf plot. So it's kind of easier just to show you a stem and leaf plot. So you can see I've got 4, 5, and 6 represent 40s, 50s, and 60s. And then, so in the 40s, I have 44, a 47, and a 49, and that's what this represents. So this 4 is 44, the 7 is 47, this 9 is 49. And then I've also got, all the 50s, 50, 51, 51, 56, 58, 59, and so on. And same thing with the 60s. You always want the leaves to go from least to greatest. And this is helpful also because then that means all the data is in order for you, which can be valuable if you're asked to find the median, which is something where the data needs to be lined up. The other thing you have with the stem and leaf plot is what they call a key. And the key is just kind of an explanation of what it means. Typically, you pick the first stem and leaf. So 4 with the line 4 here, and we say that that means 44. It's just explaining it just in case, because sometimes there could be decimals. Line 4 could mean 4.4. So it's important. The key just kind of helps to explain it. So this is a stem and leaf plot. The stems are the numbers on the left side of the line. The leaves are the numbers on the right side of the line. So let's go to another one. This is what is called a side-by-side stem and leaf plot, where you've got data on both sides. So in this case, we're talking about the number of basketball and baseball cards somebody has. On the left is basketball, on the right is baseball. You can just look at this and see, oh, there's more baseball cards than basketball cards. You can see in the question here, it says to find the mode. Mode is great because it's really easy to find, and you're just looking for whatever repeats. I can see I got 2 9s here, which means I have 2 19s. So the mode of basketball cards is 19, where in baseball, I got 2 2s here. So the baseball mode is 32. And you can see basketball was 19, baseball was 32. And comparing those two, you can see, oh, more people have more baseball cards than basketball cards. So we were asked to make another stem and leaf plot. Here's some data from some, you can see we've got eight numbers there, and everything's in the 20s, 30s, and 40s. So if we were to make our stem and leaf plot, it would look like that. You can see, by the way, a good example here, there's 20. So you actually put the 0. You don't put nothing. You put the 0 because 2 line 0 means 20. Oops, I didn't click there. And we can use this to find median and mode. Median's easy because they're all lined up for you. So I look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. Divide that by 2, that's 4. Since it's even, that means the fourth and fifth number would be the median. So 22 and 31, add those up, divide by 2, you get 26.5. Mode's easy to find. I can see that I have 2 2s to repeat here, so 22 is the mode. All right, so this is stem and leaf plots. I just want to give you a visual of what we are doing. You've got a little short Khan Academy assignment to continue with stem and leaf plots. Thank you.